Guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're going to go over the replacement front wheel hub bearing assembly that fits the Chevy Silverado 1500, 3500, Suburban, as well as the GMC Sierra 1500, 2500, Yukon XL, and Hummer H2 with a four-wheel drive system. Now, this actually includes the wheel hub, complete with the wheel studs, as you can see here. And if we flip this over, this is the actual wheel bearing here. And it also includes a new ABS wheel speed sensor. This hub is going to be a direct replacement for the factory hub that's on your truck. You actually need to unbolt this from the spindle assembly, and you'll remove the factory hub and wheel bearing together, and then you'll install this in place of the factory one in the same locations. It's secured with four screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. Your axle will go through the middle, and then you'll use your factory axle bolt in the center here to secure the axle to the wheel hub. Now, if you guys have any questions about this part, whether it fits your vehicle or about the installation, please feel free to reach out to us and we'll be glad to help.